It is only 6:30, and everybody is still sleeping peacefully right now. Today is our special Sunday because nobody has work or school at all.
I am going to make the most wonderful breakfast surprise for my family. Mom always works hard, so today I will be the chief family chef. Shh, Tina, walk very gently so Liam and Dad do not wake up.
Look at this beautiful, clean kitchen, just waiting for my delicious Sunday pancakes.
Here is the pancake mix, exactly where Mom always keeps it on the shelf.
One big mixing bowl is ready to create some delicious sweet pancake magic. Fresh eggs, sweet strawberries, and cold milk, everything is here for my recipe. These strawberries look so fresh and red. Liam will love them so much.
Everything is ready, so let us start making the best breakfast ever made. Oops, that was a little fast, but the powder is ready to pour.
I need 3 whole cups of flour mixture to feed everyone this morning. Be very careful with this egg so no hard shells fall inside here. Yes, that cracked perfectly without any shell pieces inside the big mixing bowl.
2 fresh eggs inside, just like Mom always does on Sunday mornings.
Pouring the fresh milk slowly makes the batter super smooth and fluffy. Stir, 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 making sure all the white lumps disappear completely now.
The batter looks so creamy and delicious, exactly like Mom's secret recipe.
Let us heat the stove safely on medium heat for gentle cooking.
That butter smells amazing already, sizzling and getting hot in the pan.
Now I will pour a special heart shape just for my lovely Mom.
Look at that lovely heart shape forming right in the middle pan.
Bubbles are popping on top, which means it is time to flip it. Okay, spatula is underneath, and now let us make a smooth, gentle flip.
Whoa! That flipped way too high in the air! Oh no, please!
Oh no, it landed straight on the clean floor. What a disaster.
Oh no, no, no! My first heart pancake is completely ruined now!
It is okay. Mistakes happen, and I will just make a brand new one.
Let me make a delicious cold strawberry smoothie while the pan reheats.
Lots of sweet strawberries and creamy yogurt will make Mom so happy.
Let us blend this up fast so it gets super smooth quickly.
Ah! The lid came off! Stop! Stop! Turn it off right now! Ah!
Oh goodness, smoothie splattered everywhere across the counter and my apron too.
Why is everything going wrong today? I just wanted to be helpful.
Wait, what is that burning smell coming from behind me right now? Oh no, the toast is totally burnt black. How did that happen? Cough.
Let me unplug this fast before the smoke alarm starts beeping.
Please blow away! Smoke! Nobody can know about this giant morning disaster!
Watch out! Oh, my elbow bumped the flour bag. Look out below! Flour is flying everywhere like a giant white snowstorm inside our kitchen. I look like a snowman now, and the whole kitchen is white.
The kitchen is a complete mess, and breakfast is totally ruined today.
I wanted to make a perfect sundae, but I ruined everything instead. If I clean super fast, maybe Mom and Dad will not notice.
Wait, I hear footsteps on the stairs. Someone is coming downstairs now.
Oh no, they are awake already. Please do not be mad at me. I will just stand right here and block the view with me.
Good morning, Tina. I smelled something cooking. What are you doing awake? Oh my goodness, Tina. What happened to the kitchen this morning?
I am so sorry, Mom. I tried to make surprise pancakes for you.
You woke up early all by yourself to cook breakfast for us? Oh, sweetie. Come here. Did you really do all this for our family? Do not cry, Tina. This is the sweetest and kindest surprise ever.
You are not angry at me for making this huge, messy disaster.
Of course not, silly girl. Love is much more important than clean counters.
Wow, did it snow inside our kitchen overnight? Or am I still dreaming?
I smell pancakes! Yay! Breakfast time! Give me some tasty pancakes right now! Whee! The floor is slippery like ice skating in winter. Look, Dad!
Whoa there, dinosaur boy. Let us keep our 4 feet safely grounded. Look at our little head chef. What delicious menu do we have today?
We still have plenty of sweet batter left, Dad, if you want some.
Team, we have a breakfast mission. Let us all cook this together now.
Wow!
Here is your master chef apron, Daniel. Let us see your best flips.
Watch closely, kids. The master pancake flipper is stepping up to bat.
Tina, would you like to help me slice strawberries for pancake toppings?
Yes, please. Yes. Look, Mom, I am cutting little strawberry hearts for everyone's plate. Sweet whipped cream is the best part of Sunday breakfast ever.
Sizzle, sizzle. These pancakes are turning golden brown and smelling so good. Boom. One perfect flip right back into the center of the pan.
Yay, Dad! You caught it! That was totally awesome and super cool.
4 warm stacks coming up. Ready for our creative decoration station now.
Look, my pancake has funny blueberry eyes and strawberry dinosaur teeth now. This special heart tower is for the best mom in the entire world.
Thank you, my darling Tina. This is the most beautiful breakfast ever.
Hey, Liam, do you think whipped cream makes me look more handsome?
Dad, you look like a funny white mustache monster right now.
Everyone sit down together, and the great Sunday morning feast is finally served.
It is so fluffy and sweet, and it actually tastes super delicious.
This is officially the greatest pancake breakfast in the history of our family.
Tina is the best big sister chef ever. I want 10 more.
You see, Tina, pancakes do not need to be perfect when made with love. I am so happy we are all eating together on our special Sunday. Even with the mess, this turned out to be our happiest morning together. Made with love, family makes every little mistake turn into sweet perfection.